Good morning, all. We are from Smart Mind Assistant. First of all, I introduce my team. I am Rutna Kumar from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Aruna Engineering College. Our teammates are Mr. Praveen, Mr. Saranraj, Mr. Sivaprakash. We are all in the same department. My part of the project is to requirement gathering, design, and development. Mr. Praveen worked on hardware configuration. Mr. Saranraj worked on handling a sensor and microcontroller. Mr. Sivaprakash worked on data handling. I take a pleasure to introduce our supervisor, Dr. M. Jyotish Kumar, Head of Computer Science and Engineering, Aruna Engineering College. This project is successfully completed by our supervisor guidelines and motivation. Thank you, sir. Introduction about our project. In COVID-19 pandemic situation, viruses are transferable through a touch and contact. In hospital, patient admissions are increasing day by day. Patients have a COVID or normal fever. Attendants have a more risk to facing a patient by taking a temperature and sanitize them. Our project will overcome the risk to detecting a temperature and sanitize them, and also providing attendance monitor system for a doctor and staffs. Abstract about project. We provide device which is capable to measure the temperature of the person and sanitize them. The temperature data are stored in Google spreadsheet, and also the temperature detail printed by using a mini thermal printer, and also we provide a RFID for attendance monitoring system. Objective of our project. This project will detect a human body temperature, and the temperature data will feed to a microcontroller. The microcontroller will process the data. If the data is more than of normal degree or normal Fahrenheit, then you will note it as the person will have a high degree of temperature, and the data are reported by Google spreadsheet. Literature survey of our project. Human body temperature detector sensor. Introducing year is 2015. Jin and Zhang. Accuracy of the temperature detector will be vary from the different weather condition. We are finding the solution for it by using a default value for the different weather condition. Automatic sanitizer dispenser. Introducing here is 2020. Akshaya Sharma. It only working on direct power solution. We supporting here two types of power supply. One is direct power supply and another one is power backup for more than of 10,000 mAh. Mini thermal printer. Introducing here is 2018. Adafruit problem. It only operated manually by triggering a input. Solution. Our project will automate a mini thermal printer after the sanitizer will be dispensed. Work schedule of our project. We will take a more than 3 weeks of idea and solution finding of the problem, and we take a more than 2 weeks for development of our project, and we take a more than 1 week for design and testing. Existing system. Human temperature will be detected by manually, and also the temperature data will be noted in only a written format. Supply device used for sanitize dispenser, temperature detector, and attendance monitoring. Purpose system. The human temperature will detect by automatically. The result of the temperature value will store in Google spreadsheet. Sanitizer dispenser and attendance monitoring system and temperature detector will be combined in Smart Med Assistant. We are monitoring a high temperature patient will be entered in the hospital anywhere at any time. The report will be monitored by anywhere at any time. The mini thermal printer used to print a receipt for the patient. Sort of proposed system, the ultrasonic sensor will be triggered. The distance ranges 10 to 5 centimeter. The detecting a temperature and uploading a temperature data to the cloud. The temperature is normal or lesser than 100. The single buzzer will be raised. If more than 100, high buzzer will be raised, and the printer will use to print a receipt. If the RFID will trigger, it will display the doctor name and uploading a attendance detail to the Google spreadsheet. System workflow. Patients are using a smart mat assistant. It will detect a temperature, validating a temperature, sanitizing dispenser, and printing a receipt for a patient and uploading a temperature data to a cloud. Doctor or staff will using a smart mat assistant. It will dispense a sanitizer and reading a RFID and take attendance of the staff or doctor and uploading a data to the Google spreadsheet. System architecture of smart mat assistant. The system architecture is divided into two categories. One is for user or patient, one is for doctor and staff. In user category, we have a sanitizer dispenser, mini thermal printer, and a temperature detector. In doctor or staff category, we have a sanitizer dispenser and attendance monitoring system and temperature detector. System requirement: hardware information, Arduino, Node MCU, ultrasonic sensor, temperature detector, mini water motor, LED display, RFID reader, mini thermal printer, battery, and buzzer. Software information, Arduino ID, Google Script, and Google Spreadsheet. SmartMint Assistant will divide it into 5 modules. First one is temperature detector, second one is temperature validator, third one is sanitizer dispenser, fourth one is RFID address, and last one is uploading a data on cloud. Cloud means it's a Google spreadsheet. Implementation. This project was implemented in Sai Shiva Yoga Nature Care Hospital and Research Center at Tiruvannamalai by guide of this project, Dr. M. Jyotish Kumar, HOD of CSC, guidance.
Okay, let's see small demo of our project. Initially, when I use the device, my body temperature will be detected and sanitizer will be dispensed along with the thermal printer receipt, where the predefined data will be printed along with the real-time temperature of the individual, which can be modified as per the requirement of the organization or hospital. When the staff of the organization or hospital use the device, can show their RFID placed ID card near the device to update their in and out attendances along with the welcome messages like this. In Google Datasheets, temperature of the individual will be updated instantly in a sheet, and the attendance data of the staff with the name will be updated instantly in another sheet along with the exact timestamp. Thank you.
Conclusion and future enhancement. This project will overcome a risk of detecting a patient temperature during a COVID situation period, maintaining a data automatically, and access a data anywhere at any time. The future enhancement of the projects are introducing AI camera for face detecting, auto surveillance report for a patient detail, send a remember notification for a patient for next checkup. Thank you for giving a wonderful opportunity to present our project. Thank you.